20 seconds.
What we have is the final product of round one in our FCCLA state competition. So they get to learn, how to work under pressure, handle product, and safely serve food. So they're going to learn their time management skills and practice their plating, all of the fun aspects that we utilize within the industry.